Hello everyone, I'm back again with another quick video, and I do mean quick this time. This offer on Vlueo, the launch offer, is ending in I think it's ending tomorrow. Now, I actually went ahead, I signed up today and I bought the yearly deal, but I'm going to go back in and change it for the lifetime deal because I've started using the software just to test it out and see what it can do for me. And this, in conjunction with, they give a bonus software called Keyword Atlas. Where is it? This one. I started using Keyword Atlas and watching some of their tutorial videos. I understood the potential of using these two together. Because Keyword Atlas, I've never heard of this software before, but what it does, it helps you narrow down keywords. You can put in any keyword you want, and it will go to Google or Bing or Yahoo or 20 other sources, and it will give you a list of all the most searched for, most popular keywords, their search traffic, and so on. But something unique that I didn't realize is that it finds you the best way to say it is the most searched for, most trending keywords at the moment. Now let me show you an example. This is my Keyword Atlas. Oh, it doesn't make a difference. Okay. So I just done a search for dropshipping, and because I'm in the UK, dropshipping UK is the most popular search term. Now what that means is, let me quickly pull up another window. So here's my incognito window. Here I am in the UK. Now when you search for dropshipping, see it's not in alphabetical order. The most popular related search term is UK, then meaning, then suppliers, then websites, and so on. If you look at this list, say position score 100 here. This is the list of the most popular current related search terms. So you can base your blog posts or articles on these top few search terms, and you should get a lot more traffic technically. Now I didn't know that they've also got a lot of other options. You can search in YouTube, Vimeo, Google. I didn't know there was a Bing video, Bing, Yahoo, whatever. But I'll be looking at these two mostly, Google and YouTube. And they've also got e-commerce. This by itself is probably worth a couple $100. This software. And you actually get it completely free as a bonus when you sign up for, I still can't say the name properly, Vlueo. But yeah, so using my example, so I searched for dropshipping, so these are the current popular videos when you search for dropshipping, and I chose my filter as UK. So a way that I might use this is if I've got an affiliate offer for a dropship plugin, I can do a quick couple of minute video, quick demo on how to use it, and overlay it on, or make an ad on these videos. So people are already looking for dropshipping. I know these videos are popular, I know they've got good stats, so I've got a better chance of getting my videos watched by people who are interested in dropshipping, and then they'll also click on my affiliate links, and that means more conversions. So using that with the Keyword Atlas, I actually see a lot of real potential with this, and I've got a lot on my plate at the moment, but I'm actually going to spend some time now using this software and just seeing what I can do, because there is another software, similar one, I've forgotten the name of it, Tube something, but that one is like $100+ per month, and it's something ridiculous, like $1,000 for a yearly license. I don't know about you, but I can't afford that. But this one at the moment is still it's still on launch for $99, $197, and $29. Okay, so like I was saying, the offer runs out very, very soon, and this price is amazing value for what the product is. because speaking to someone I work with online, and they've already made, what did he say? I think he made $170 in commission, because he had a beta account before me in the past 4 days, and he just went straight ahead and bought a lifetime account. And also he's seen that because he's been targeting videos, his channel numbers, I think he's had a few hundred subscribers in the space of 2 days, and he said he's never had that before. So this really does make a difference, and with the free software and the bonuses, it's really going to change your bank balance, hopefully, and also it's going to improve your YouTube channel. So thanks again, guys. See you soon. Bye.